Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to make preserved lemons. We firmly believe that every single kitchen should have a jar of preserved lemons in it. It's such a versatile ingredient to use, and it dates back 1,500 years, whatever the matter may be. Preserved lemons are very much originated in Africa, Northern Africa as a matter of fact, and even can be dated back as far as Egypt. What it is it's the workhorse of African, North African cuisine, and very much now Southern Europe, around the Mediterranean, right around the Mediterranean. It's so versatile and can be used for many dishes. A little bit of chopped preserved lemon with fish, chicken, even with meat works really well, and with stews, sauces, whatever, a little bit on salad with a bit of cheese, whatever the matter may be, really good. And tagine without preserved lemon is just not tagine. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off. We got some unwaxed lemons here. Really important that they're unwaxed. That's very important. We've got a nice jar with a seal on it. It must be able to seal a fair size where those lemons are going to fit into. What we'll do is we'll start off by just taking a kettle, and I've boiled the kettle, and I'm going to place water into my jar. Okay, there we go. And fill it up right to the top, okay? Really important. Fill it to the top and just close it for a second, okay? Before we use it. So what are we doing? We're sterilizing the jar. That's what we're doing, okay? Just leave it like that for a minute. What we'll do in the meantime is we will take our lemons, and what we're going to do, and this is really important, we're going to cut that lemon twice, basically quarter it. Not cut all the way down, we're cutting nearly to the bottom, and then exactly the same there, not right through, but nearly all the way down. Let's say 90% of the way down. So I can pull that lemon open like that. Okay, do that again. The quality of the lemon, really important that you got good lemons. Like I say, untreated, unwaxed lemons. And ensure you wash them before you use them. That's so important, okay? In the olden days, obviously lemons were preserved so that they could have lemons when they were out of season, okay? There we go. So I've done the rest of those. I got my jar now. There we go. I'm going to open it, and I'm just going to pour the water out quickly, okay? And got my jar. There we go. That jar is sterilized now. So what I'm going to do now, I've got some coarse salt here, and if in the USA you'll be using kosher salt, okay? And I take it, and what I'm going to do, open the lemon like that, and I'm going to fill it with as much salt as possible there, like a tablespoon of salt. There we go. And I'm going to take it into my jar and pack it into the bottom of the jar, okay? Open it up. There we go. And it takes about a tablespoon of salt. You just want to make sure that the salt is in there, okay? Just bring it together slightly and get the lemon into the bottom of your jar. Get them as tight as what you can, okay? Once again, exactly the same thing, and exactly the same as the lemon itself. When you buy the salt, like I say, good quality coarse salt or good quality kosher salt, without anything else. Must be 100% salt. Okay, there we go. Like I say, push it down fairly tightly. Okay. Once again, exactly the same thing. Oh, we just love these. Yeah. Whenever we cook fish, whenever we cook chicken, a little bit of chopped preserved lemon just works wonders. adds such depth in flavor and gives you that extra lemony touch whenever you need it. There we go. Press down in there. Okay. Once again, exactly the same thing. There we go. In there like that. Press that into there. And as you can see, I had 8 lemons, and I've done this so many times that I know the 8 lemons fit into the jar just perfectly. Okay, once again, exactly the same thing. In they go. Just fits in well. Okay, and then what we do is we seal the jar. Okay, close it up. That's it. There we go. That's how simple it is to start off with. What we're going to do is we're going to leave that now for around about 4 to 5 days, even up to 7 days. I normally say about 4 to 5 days. We're going to leave that and keep it in the refrigerator, really important. And in 5 days time, we'll come back to you and we'll go on to the next stage when we actually prepare the preserved lemon and we add a flavor to it and we add a stage to it that actually will finish it off. Okay, so see you next time and we'll finish it off. Thank you for joining us. I've got my lemons, okay, that I put in a jar last week. I've got some squeezed lemon juice. I've got a little bit of rosemary. I've got some red chilies. These are peri-peri chilies. What I also have is I have a little bit of dried lime leaf. You can use bay leaf if you want to. You can use thyme. You can put cinnamon. You can put star anise in there. You can put anything you want to put in there. But this is generally what we like to do. So what we're going to do now, we open it up, okay? That's been in there, like I say, for a week now. You saw me put it in last Wednesday. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to slightly push them down, okay, to get any juice out of the lemon, any more juice. I just squeeze them down a little. There we go, okay. There, get all the excess juice out of them, okay. That's the way we do it, okay. What I'm going to do then is I'm going to take 3 chilies. I like mine to be a little spicy and just cut them through. I'll leave the stalks on and I'll just give them a cut through, okay. Don't de-seed them or anything like that. Obviously you need to wash them off. I've rinsed these off. Take them and I'm just going to push them down the side there like that, into there, and that one into there like that. And you can't believe how much flavor this will give to these lemons, okay. Put my lime leaf in the side there. There we go. Voila. And then what I'm going to do is just 1 stalk of rosemary and push it into there. There we go, like that. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover that with the lemon juice. Make sure you cover it properly. Make sure it's all the way over it. Okay, into there. Okay, there we go. Voila. And then what we want to do is we want to create a seal over the top of that. Okay, and what we're going to do is just a hint of olive oil to create a film over the top of that there. There we go. Okay, and there we go. That's how simple it is. Let me add a little bit more olive oil. I want to make sure there's a total film over the top of that. Take it. What I like to do is take it, seal it, okay? Then I give it a shake just to make sure that all that lemon juice is mixing with the salted brine that was there before, okay? And there we go. Really simple. There's my preserved lemons. What we like to do is we like to keep this in the fridge, okay? It will be ready after 2 weeks. but it's even better after 4, 5, 6 weeks. It'll even be better. And what I would like you to do is I'd like you to keep yours in the refrigerator, because if it is too warm where you are, the lemons are not totally cured yet, they're not totally brined yet, and you never know, they could create a little bit of a start bubbling. If that happens, then you've got to throw them away. That's why it's better to keep them in the fridge, okay? And you know they've been kept at 5, 6 degrees Celsius, and that's great. The chicken tagine, and this lemon plays a major role in that. Hope you're all well, stay safe, take care, and we look forward to seeing you next Wednesday again. Take care, eh? Bye.